Hi, I'm Scott from Techosaurus. Most of the people who come to us aren't struggling because they're bad at technology. They're struggling because they're buried under it. They're spending huge amounts of time on repetitive indirect work, constant email messages, notifications and admin that knock them off balance all day long. Over time, that creates digital debt. It drains their headspace, their confidence, and even their life outside of work. They know there must be a better way, but they're so busy running the business that they never get the time to step back and change how they work. What we do differently is we start with people, not tools. We strip away the jargon, we distill what actually matters, and we help people use the technology they already have in a smarter, calmer way. We don't build systems that create dependency or big support bills. We focus on enablement, showing people how to manage and evolve this themselves. The result is less noise, more clarity, and a noticeable shift in confidence. Businesses become more productive, leaders get their time back, and teams start to see technology as something that works for them, not against them. 6 to 12 months on, the biggest change we see isn't just efficiency, it's mindset. People stop saying, "This is how we've always done it," and they start being curious again. They understand that transformation isn't a one-off project, it's an ongoing journey, and that's what allows their business and their people to keep evolving. That's a pretty cool 90-second elevator pitch, right? I didn't write it though. I used AI, and we're going to ask you guys to do the same. So Mark has invited me to share this with you and write this quick prompt as a little takeaway for you from today's session. So what I would like you to do is there'll be a QR code that comes up on the screen in a moment. Use that QR code, and Mark will be able to share that with you as well. And that's going to take you to this page. And this page is to teach you a way of using AI that you may not have thought about before. So many people focus on what should I ask AI? They forget about what should AI ask me? So here we have a prompt for you using the reverse interview technique. And this is where AI is going to interview you. And in my example, when I just tried this, it asked me about 5 to 6 questions. And afterwards, from those questions, it's going to produce your 90-second elevator pitch, which is perfect for your next networking event. We'd like you to take that away, so you can press copy prompt here. You can open it direct in ChatGPT, Perplexity or Grok. And then, as you'll see on the screen now, it starts to interview you, and it will work through a series of questions to find out exactly what it needs to be able to provide you with your 90-second elevator pitch. So answer the questions, work through it, save your pitch, and use it at your next networking event, and share it with others. Share the prompt with others. Let people know and understand and learn how they can use AI, just like we teach others, to be able to do more within your business.